Hey everybody, what's going on? Alan here. Welcome to the Gibson Garage Speed Shop, and today we are ripping out this crusty old 305 small block Chevy out of my 94 C1500, and we are going to be putting in an LS, right? Just like everybody else. Hey, I got the motor for free though. I got a whole truck for free. It's a 2003 Yukon, four-wheel drive, I think it was. No, it was two. But I have no idea how many miles are on it. I forgot to look. Oh, like 217. Yeah, no, I still have the cluster. Check back with my other videos. I did a bunch of videos where I started it on the stand and pulled it out of the Yukon and stuff like that. But today we're finally getting it in the truck with the transmission from the Yukon as well. And hopefully we can get it ready and started and running even, or driving down the road I should say, before the car show, which is in like 8 days. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell and all that stuff, and together we'll see if we make it. So as you can see, I've taken off the fenders and the core support. I've got that core support sitting here, and I'm probably only going to put that on. The fenders and the inner fenders are going to stay off for the car show, just probably for time reasons and for showing it off reasons. Hey AJ, you crawl in there and put one of those jacks into the driveline, please. So when it pulls out of the transmission, it doesn't go.
It's not going to pull it.
Driveline?
I'm going to do it. Okay, you're good.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, look here.
Oh, yep. Shit. It's resting on the thing up here.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get off there. There it is.
Huh?
Okay, I need a drain bucket. GoPro, capture. Okay. You got some ground wires in the back connected. Oh, what's... What, in this?
Yeah, it lands on your crossover instead of through the side of the frame.
Oh. Hey, what is it hanging up on? Oh. Oh, the starter. Okay, now that we got that out, we've got it sitting right there. We need to get this intake off. And I got to take off my cool vent system that I put on and think that one through, so I can bolt on the engine puller plate thing. And oopsie daisy, wait, we're still stuck. Oh, there we go. The last nut bolt here, and then this thing can come off. Let's see if it stays intact. Oh, we gotta lift up. There we go. Alright, that one broke. It's supposed to... oh, man. The wires are glued into the grommet. Oh, well, that whole thing, both of these broke. The harness and the connectors. Damn, it's smoked. Look at both of the sensors are broken too. Connectors, one pulled out. But it's all one, so I have to get a whole harness too. And two sensors, they're pretty crusty. It's really gross. Alright, let's see if we can get these out here. Oh wow. I expected those to be stuck. Oh, that one's nice and easy too. Hallelujah for the tube snake boogie. Look at these guys. Yeah. Ugh. Make sure we count our bolts when we're done. Well, it is the next morning, and I'm faced with some disappointment, basically. I've got the valley pan all cleaned up, or the valley cover cleaned up, but I'm out of time and I'm out of money. Out of time for the video. It's Sunday, and the video's got to come out Monday, and I don't have the parts to continue or the money. I'm out of money for parts, and probably not going to make it to the car show either. I wasn't planning on anything else breaking. I wasn't planning on needing to spend a whole lot more money to get this thing in, but I'm wrong. It would suck if this broken harness and the broken sensors is the thing that keeps me from going to the car show. I'm gonna keep working, hang in there. Next Monday, I guess we'll find out if I made it there or not, right? Stay tuned on my other social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, all under Gibson Garage Speed Shop, to keep in touch in between the weekly videos. And until next time, peace.